Which Luminox watch is actually worth your money? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit deeper for the answers. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 options that really stand out. Product number 1, Pacific Diver XS3137. The Luminox Pacific Diver XS3137 immediately catches the eye with its striking silver and green design. Priced at about $524.72, it promises a mix of style and function. If you want a dive watch that combines aesthetics with serious performance, this is worth a serious look. The sapphire glass adds a layer of scratch resistance, so you don't have to stress about minor bumps and scrapes. Plus, the date function helps you keep track of time without fumbling with your phone. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're into water sports or diving, having a reliable watch that won't give up on you is crucial. Now, some people complained about the weight, saying it's a bit heavier than they expected. Here's the thing though, that added weight gives it a feel of quality and durability. If you're looking for a lightweight option, this might not be it, but for those who appreciate a solid watch, it's a minor detail. This is perfect for you if you're an adventurous spirit who loves diving or spending time in the water. Skip this one if you prefer lighter watches that you can wear daily without noticing. Now, if the price of the XS3137 gave you pause, the next one is a more budget-friendly option without sacrificing too much performance. Product number 2. Leatherback Sea Turtle Giant XS0321L. Next up is the Leatherback Sea Turtle Giant XS0321L, a military-inspired watch that stands out with its iconic turtle shape. At a price of $281.49, it's a solid mid-range option. If you're looking for a watch that excels both on land and in water, this one deserves your attention. The durable design means it can withstand everyday wear and tear, which is essential if you lead an active lifestyle. The built-in date function is a nice touch, ensuring you're always on time. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're someone who doesn't want to fuss over a watch but still needs it to perform, this offers that peace of mind. However, some users reported that the strap can feel a bit stiff at first. But I'll be real with you, once broken in, it offers great comfort and durability. So if you're patient with that initial discomfort, the payoff is worth it. This is perfect for you if you like a sporty look and need a reliable watch for both casual and outdoor settings. Skip this one if you're looking for something with a more refined appearance for formal occasions. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a military-grade experience. Product number 3, Navy SEAL Men's Watch. The Luminox Navy SEAL Men's Watch is next, and it's a true representation of durability and functionality. Priced at $229.99, it's one of the more affordable options on our list. If you want a watch that's built to withstand extreme conditions, this one is definitely worth considering. With a water resistance of 200 meters, it's designed for diving and other rigorous activities. The chronograph feature adds versatility, allowing you to time your activities accurately. Plus, the military-inspired design and high-visibility hands mean you can read the time in low-light conditions. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're into outdoor adventures or military-style gear, this watch checks all the boxes. That said, some reviews mention that the buttons can be a bit hard to press, especially with gloves on. But honestly, if you're not using it in extreme cold, you should be fine, and for most users, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you need a tough watch for outdoor adventures or tactical use. Skip this one if you want a watch that's more about style than performance. Now, if you liked the Navy SEAL's durability but want something with a bit more sophistication, this next model might catch your eye. Product number 4, Navy SEAL Steel. Next up is the Navy SEAL Steel, an impressive piece priced at $525. It's a bit of an investment, but if you want a watch that combines strength and elegance, this is one to check out. If you want a watch that looks good while performing like a champ, this is worth your attention. This model features a Swiss quartz movement and a durable 316L stainless steel case, ensuring both precision and longevity. With a water resistance of 200 meters, it's suitable for diving and rugged activities. The sapphire glass is anti-reflective, making it easy to read underwater. Here's why this matters for you. If you want functionality without compromising style, this watch offers that balance perfectly. However, some users found it a bit bulky for everyday wear. But here's the thing, it's designed for adventure, so if you're someone who spends a lot of time outdoors or in the water, that bulkiness is actually a sign of its rugged construction. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish watch that can handle serious adventures. Skip this one if you want something sleek and light for daily wear. Now, if the Navy SEAL steel style caught your eye, but you're looking for something a bit different, let's check out the final model on our list. Product number 5, Navy SEAL XS 3597. Last but not least, we have the Navy SEAL XS 3597, a military dive watch that offers a cool black and green design for about $289.99. If you want a watch that's rugged yet stylish, this is one to consider. This watch is officially licensed by the US Navy and built to their specifications. The self-powered illumination technology means you can read it in any lighting condition, which is crucial for night adventures. Here's why this matters for you. If you're often in low-light environments, this watch has you covered. However, some users mention that the rubber strap can feel a bit stiff initially. But honestly, after a few days of wear, it starts to mold to your wrist, making it much more comfortable. For most, this isn't a deal breaker at all. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable military-grade watch that looks good and performs even better. Skip this one if you prefer a more traditional watch style without the tactical aesthetics. In conclusion, each of these watches has its unique strengths. The Pacific Diver offers elegance, the Leatherback is sporty, the Navy SEAL gives you rugged reliability, the Navy SEAL steel combines style with strength, and the XS 3597 rounds it all off with its military-grade qualities. Depending on your needs, there's a solid option here for everyone. To wrap it all up, these 5 Luminox watches each bring something special to the table. Whether you're diving deep with the Pacific Diver, enjoying casual outings with the Leatherback, or needing rugged durability from the Navy SEAL series, there's a perfect fit for you. Make your choice based on your lifestyle and you can't go wrong.